everyone, welcome to SP Global Group. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is area of circle. So let us start. First we are going for the basic and after that we will go for the different type of the question related to area of circle. Let us see. So first we are going the basic points of the circle. So suppose this is the circle and whose center is what? O, right? And when we draw this line passing through the center, this is A and this is B. Then OA equal to OB is called R, that is radius of circle. In the same way, this is AB. So AB equal to what? That is OA plus OB. That means R plus R, that is 2R. It is called D. So this is what? Diameter of circle. So any line which touches the 2 point of circle passing through the center is called diameter. And the half of diameter is what? Radius. So here OA and OB, O is the midpoint of AB. So OA and OB is what? Radius of circle and denoted by generally R, a small r. And AB equal to AB is what? OA plus OB, that is R plus R, that is 2R. So 2R equal to what? D, that is diameter of the circle. So diameter of circle is always twice of radius of circle. And if you find radius, so radius equal to what? That is D by 2. That is half of the diameter. So this is the relation between radius and diameter of circle. Radius is half of diameter and diameter is twice of radius. Now you see, so what is the area of circle? So area of circle equal to what? That is pi r square. So this pi value is what? Either 22 by 7 or 3.14. So we have to learn this point, that is the value of pi 22 by 7 or 3.14. In the same way, that is circumference. So when we are finding perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of a square, and here perimeter of triangle, but when we are going for the circle, then not perimeter, that is what called circumference of circle, that is total surrounding area of the circle, that is called circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle formula is what? That is 2 pi r. 2 multiply pi into radius, and we can write simply 2r is what? D. So we can write pi d. So if diameter is given, you can use direct pi into d. If radius is given, you can use 2 pi r. In the same way, that is area of semicircle. So area of semicircle means what? That is the half circle. So this is the total circle. So when we are going to only this is called semicircle. So area of semicircle will be what? Simple half pi r square. So this is area of semicircle is half pi r square. And when we go for the perimeter, that is the, here we are seeing that this is only this portion, right? So this portion and this portion. So this is called not circumference, that is called perimeter of semicircle. So when we are finding, that is perimeter of semicircle. So perimeter of semicircle, what? This portion is what? Pi r. And this portion is what? Pi r. So we are finding only this part. So this is pi r and this is what? 2r. So our perimeter of circle will be what? That is pi r plus 2r. So here r is common, we can write r into pi plus 2. And you know pi is what? 22 by 7 plus 2. So when we solve this, we will get what? R into 22 plus 40 upon 7. So this is equal to what? 36 by 7. So this is the tricky approach formula. So you can use perimeter of circle is what? Simply 36 by 7. So no need to go for this value of pi and multiplying. Direct we can use what? Perimeter of semicircle is what? This is the perimeter of semicircle. Okay. So this is perimeter of semicircle. So semicircle you can use direct tricky formula 36 by 7. So radius is given, you can find directly. Your diameter is given. First you find radius, half of diameter, then use this formula. Now I am giving the different type of the questions related to the circle. Now see type number 1 question. So type 1 question is what? If diameter of circle is given 14 meter, then find area of circle, circumference of circle, area of semicircle and perimeter of semicircle. So first you see we are finding area of semicircle. So you know area of circle. First is what? Area, that is area of circle. So area of circle you know what? That is pi r square. So here radius is not given. What is given? Diameter given. So first you find what is the radius. So you know radius equal to what? That is half of diameter. That is diameter is 14. So 14 by 2 we will get what? 7 meter. So now we can put area equal to pi, you know, 22 by 7, radius 7, so 7 into 7. This and this cancel, 7 to the 14 and this is 50. So correct answer is what? 154 meter square is our correct answer. In the same way, this is the second point. Second point is what? Circumference of the circle. So you know circumference of circle is what? That is 2 pi r or pi d. So here diameter is given, so you can use direct pi d formula. So pi d formula, so pi is what? 22 by 7 and d is what? 14. So 7 to the 14, 22 to the 44. So our correct answer is what? 44 meter. Now you see the third point. In third point what? We need area of semicircle. So we are finding area of semicircle. So you know the formula, area of semicircle is what? Half into pi r square. So this is half pi, you know, 22 by 7 and radius we have already found 7. So this is 7 into 7. So this 7 cancel and this 2 cancel to 20 to 11. So 11 into 77. So our correct answer is what? 77 meter square is our right answer. Now the last point, that is the fourth one. We are finding perimeter of semicircle. So if we are finding perimeter of semicircle, so you know the formula, perimeter of semicircle is what? We can use direct tricky approach formula 36 by 7 r. So it is given 36 by 7 and r not given, diameter 14, so that is r is what? 7. So this 7 cancel, we will get what? 36 meter. In this way we have solved every 4 parts of this question. So if you know the basic formula, you can solve every question very easily.